Let's talk about the forecast. It is a first alert weather day, both today and tomorrow, guys. And the reason why is because of, first, the snow chances out there, the snow that's already on the ground that's causing some issues, and just how cold those temperatures are going to get tomorrow. Expect to see more in the way of first alert weather days, but at least right now, we're just going to put it on today and tomorrow. Not going to light up all of the 7 days. So snow cleanup has begun. Scattered snow chance remains in place today, and extreme cold in place this week as well. We do have the extreme cold warning. You see the communities right here. That kicks off at 7 tonight, goes through 11 o'clock tomorrow. On top of that, we still have some snow showers. We're going to start you off up along the Turnpike, Ohio Turnpike, right there along 76. You can see the Youngstown area. There's some snow there. That's going to be tracking into Lawrence County along I-80. Will likely bring lower visibility, some windy conditions, and possibly even some slick spots on roads. It's also going to recover those roads that are now maybe seeing a break or two in the snow. We also have some snow, no surprise, into the Ridges building and over into western-facing slopes of the Laurels. These are going to continue, these snow showers, off and on throughout the course of the day. Besides that, the other story, the cold air that's in place. We're at 13 degrees right now. Wind chills are near zero. All right, there's those temperatures for you, most places into the mid to low teens. And again, it is very cold outside. I want to quickly just show you the forecast with the temperatures overnight tonight. We will see those temperatures plummeting. Actual air surface temperatures coming in at around zero tomorrow morning. Our wind chill values tomorrow morning, Mary, we're expecting them could be as low as 25 below.
Yeah.
In some areas across our region.
Right.
That's why we had that extreme cold warning. I think that if not school delays.
That's what I was thinking, yep.
We're going to have a number of school, at least delays, maybe even some cancellations.
Yeah, plan ahead for maybe even another remote learning day. Yeah. Several days this week, we're thinking.
I could even see Wednesday.
I could too.
Still, but you know, we'll see.
Yep, we'll see. This is how cold it's going to be. So let me show you exactly what we're looking at. And with these wind gusts really ramping up, we're talking 20, 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts into those Laurel Highlands and Ridges. Even tomorrow, this is early into the morning, these wind gusts are staying around all the way through Wednesday. And on top of that, our temperatures, our highs only in the teens, our low temperatures single digits, actual temperatures even below zero. So here's how cold we're expecting it to feel overnight tonight through early tomorrow, as cold as 20 to 25 degrees below zero. This is extremely dangerous. Even if you have to be outside to maybe shovel, do anything, you want to limit that time. Protect your pets as well. Too cold for you, too cold for them. You do not want them to be outside in this. And same for the kids. If they want to go outside and play in the snow, you need to limit that time, maybe 10, 15 minutes, then bring them in. As we head into Wednesday, same thing. It's still going to feel about 10 to 15 degrees below zero for a lot of us. So we still have those first alert weather days in place through Tuesday. We will most likely add Wednesday, but we could pretty much do it every day this week because of how cold it's going to be. Some of the coldest air of the season moves in Friday and Saturday with actual lows at 5 below. And then we finally get back to those mid-20s for our highs this weekend. But we are looking at the chance for some more scattered snow showers.